Hey guys, Laura from Front Office Rocks. Thank you for joining me for another YouTube channel video. You're probably wondering, where are you and what are you doing? You look comfortable. Well, I'm working from home today. I work from home when I'm not on the road speaking. And when I was sitting at my kitchen counter, I turned around and I saw this pillow. And this pillow is one that my mom bought for me and I thought was super great. I love the concept of it, but it sparked an idea for a YouTube video. So here I am with my idea. This pillow, if you can't read it, it says make yourself at home, should be the philosophy, the foundation for your dental reception area. Patients come into your practice and they have been running around all day, fighting traffic, maybe stress at home, stress at work. They finally get to the appointment, they're nervous about being there, and we have an environment that's maybe not that appealing. You should make sure that your reception area makes people feel at home as much as possible. Make sure that you're giving your reception area love. Make sure that you have a reception area that allows patients to detox, to relax, to take a moment to themselves, to have a cup of coffee, to be comfortable. There are a lot of dental offices that I've been into or have seen where we have the really uncomfortable chairs that came from some magazine that said all medical offices should have these very uncomfortable chairs. There's no coffee, there's no water. The posters on the wall are old dental posters or posters about products that we sell. The magazines are outdated. The music is a radio station playing commercials. The actual office looks old. It hasn't been repainted. There's been no love put into the practice. So after you watch this video, think about your practice. Go look at your reception area. Look at your chairs. Are they beat up? Should they be refinished? Should you get new chairs? How are your magazines? Are they old? Do you have like the address scratched out on them and looks like they just brought them in from the doctor's office or doctor's house? Look around. Is it a calming environment? Are the colors right? Are you playing something that can help people relax, whether it's music or a TV, whatever it is, something that helps our patients take a deep breath and prepare themselves for the appointment coming up. That is the best thing that you can do for your patients, because what we want to do, we already know we're dealing in an environment where patients are scared. We're going to talk to them about teeth and drills and money, and we want to get them in the best mood that we can. So put a little love into your reception area. Make sure you're making your patients feel at home. It doesn't cost a lot of money. It doesn't take a lot of time. An extra painted coat, some new furniture, maybe some pillows that say something like this, a nice coffee area, but really give your patients the idea, the expectation, that welcome into the practice that makes them feel at home. That's going to be best for the patients and it's going to be best for the practice. So thanks for joining me in my home. I'm sure I look a little odd here. I'm looking at my dimensions, so we're not going to comment on that because this was good content. I want you guys to take it back to your practice. Thank you for joining me. Subscribe below if you haven't already, because I have new stuff coming every day. You never know where I'll end up. So thanks for joining me. Have an awesome day, you guys.